TJ Hammermeister from Virginia Beach, Virginia. They had, down there I was a contractor specializing in concrete finishing. We mustered with a lot of carpentry, masonry a little bit. So we were down there looking, trying to figure out what the next step was, and I stumbled across Alpena Community College's website, and really it kind of saved me. I didn't have nowhere else. I didn't have a next step. I needed more education. I knew there was one thing for sure, that I didn't want to be out there digging trenches for the rest of my life, and that was about where I was going to be if I couldn't figure out a way to get back into school. And what this program has done for me, it's something, how concrete's always been my passion. It's always been my hobby. Like, my family's been doing it for third generation concrete worker, but none of us have really went to school for it. It's always just been, passed down from, father to son or whatever. So we needed somebody to go out and actually learn what concrete really does, how it reacts, really the textbook side of the concrete. All of us knew how to work with it, but when problems arose in the field, the only thing we knew how to do is add water to it, or pretty much everything that we learned not to do in this program. And so this program has taught me how to not only excel in the industry that I grew up in, with using different concrete admixtures, how to properly talk to a ready-mix producer to make sure that you're getting the proper concrete for the job that you're doing. But also this program has prepared me for many industries. Now I can go out, I can work into engineering fields. I can go and work in an engineering firm. I can go and work in a block plant. There's students that are leaving here. He's running a block plant out in Wisconsin now. One is he's a plant manager for a ready-mix facility. The limits are endless coming out of here. You can do anything. There's a lot of students, me including, I'm going on to get more schooling. And I would have never done that if I wouldn't have came to this program first. This was kind of, I'm a hands-on individual. I've got to see what I'm doing. I'm not built out for a 4-year school. I've got to have short-term goals along with a long-term goal. And this program right here, it gives that to you. Every day you're constantly, receiving the fruits of your labor. You're out there, you're getting dirty, you're playing with the concrete, you're getting both of the technical learning in the classroom, and then you're applying it into in our labs. So you never feel that your learning is getting wasted. You're never going to lose it, because you experience it on both ends and it's drilled into your head. And I know one of the big things that employers look for is hands-on applications. And when we can come out here saying we have an internship between our first and second year, we are hands-on school, we do this stuff for 2 years, we're really unmatched in the industry. And the more the employers see what we're really capable of, the more we're really going to be worth out there in industry. And now, I know with this degree, it's kind of made me realize that I don't just have to be a hard worker. You can use your brain the same as you can use your back. So now I'm going on to pursue a drafting degree. My ultimate goal is, I came in here as owning a company with my father. I plan on going out of here and plan on getting my drafting degree. Then when the economy turns around, starting up another business. Now we've got all the business side of the concrete of the, owning a business. We're going to have the drafting. We're going to have everything we need to not only place the concrete, but we can maybe be able to design our own houses. And so that's something, it's one extra year of school out of here, and it's everything that I've wanted to do. I would have never been able to do it if I would have never found this. There's no reason why not to give it a shot. It's 2 years. You'll never regret it. And for me, it was the best education for me and for the person I was coming into the program, the person I wanted to be coming out of it. There was no better fit for a program for me.